I will continue to attach my clip-on element to the back this way. But before that, I will need to prepare circle for the back side. I will cut out it a bit bigger because I will better cut extra after, then my piece will be too small. Now I will measure. This is good. I will just need to make it more round here. And this is ready. Now I take my clip-on element and I will glue it to my pom-pom. And as you can see, as well, I add glue to the other side. Put next to you some paper where you can clean up your glue. Glue it a bit. And I attach. Here is the moment that this part should be here, just in the line with our pom-pom. A bit down, this way. You just need to put the glue all over our felt. That's why you should not take a glue which is super glue. Your glue should be flexible, because after our elements will be glued together, we will need to finish our back side. Here we will go around with the seed beads. Press gently, make sure everything aligns well. And I will leave it here. And for the second pom-pom, I will give you an idea how you can attach hook to this pom-pom. For it, you will need to take eye pin. You need to attach it this way. First of all, you measure it, and you will need to cut extra and leave just eye pin that you need for your earrings. Measure again. As you can see, it is still too long for me, so I will cut more. Measure this way. Then you will need as well another piece of leather for our back side, so we can finish our back as well. Just cut out and take a glue. Put the glue to our eye pin. I will add straight away glue on this part. Then I take our element. I will put the glue on our leather as well. And I will cover our element this way. And here, of course, you need to wait as well while this element will be ready. So here we have clip-on element attached, and here we have our element for hook to attach, and it will look this way. We have here our thread. Now we need to pass with our thread next to our base and to the point from where we need to start to finish the back side of our future earring. Just pass with our needle into the felt, carefully and slowly, not to damage anything.